Connecting your refrigerator to the LG ThinQ app, Android phones. If you are using LG products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to the ThinQ app. Connecting devices to the ThinQ app on Android phones. Before connecting your device, make sure both the refrigerator and the wireless router are powered on, and that the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to connect your refrigerator. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. On the home screen, go to Add a device. Then select Device and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap the Next button. And now the first step is completed. Select Refrigerator from the list. On the Network Settings screen, select the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to. Enter the password and tap the Connect button. Then, move closer to the refrigerator. Following the instructions on the screen, press and hold down the Wi-Fi enabling button for more than 3 seconds. Check to see if the Wi-Fi icon or the LED light is blinking or switched on. Proceeding when the icon or the light is not blinking or switched on will prolong the process. If everything is clear, tap the Done button. Soon, the device will be added. You can see the added product card shortly, and once you tap Go to Home, the refrigerator will also appear on the home screen of the app. Now that brings us to the end.